Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. Today I'm going to share a little bit of knowledge about knives. A lot of you out there always ask me what type of knife I use, what do I do with them, what the function of every knife. So here is a selection of the knife I commonly use in my cooking preparation, in my slicing, cutting, or using to prepare fish or meats. So different use of knives, different knives. So personally, I use about five different knives in my cooking journey. That's the most knife I use. They need to be really sharp all the time, and that's for another recipe where we'll show you how to sharp. So before we start, I'd like to make sure you subscribe to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe now, and also to change your notification bell setting. Like this, you will always have my little tricks or tips and also little recipe for you. First of all, what you need to know about the knife, it's anatomy. So this one, for example, it's my butcher knife. Make sure to be really sharp all the time. And how about the knife itself? This is what we call the handle here, the tang from here to here, the butt of the knife, the bolster of the knife, the spine of the knife, the point, the tip, and the edge. That's the edge of the knives, and we want very sharp. So that's a butcher knife, as I mentioned just before. It's made to prepare small pieces, but preferably what we call deboning. So taking up the meat of the bone of the carcasses of an animal, and that's the knife we use. So that's an old knife that I use quite a bit already. As you could see, the blade already has been gone a little bit down, and that's due to sharpening. So that's one knife I use. The other knife I use, it's a filleting knife. That's the old knives. That's actually the knives I first had when I started cooking. So I was 14 years old, so it's about 30 years old as a knife. Why it's filleting? Because the blade is soft and you can bend it. As you bend it, you can use it against the bone, the spine of the fish, and get nice fillet out. And I will show you that later. Another knife I use probably every day, it's definitely my paring knife. This is a knife that I do everything with. Peel onions, for example, cut the tip of carrots, take off the core of a tomato. It's my everyday, every use of a knife. Another one I use, it's a small chef knife. This is nice, neat, and easy to use. Why? Because it's light. It's a very light knife, very easy to handle, and I can cut or slice a little piece of food or product. And the last one, the chef knife, a big one. Is the bigger the better? No. It's all about how comfortable you feel with the balance of the knife and how you can handle it. If the knife is too big or too heavy, you're gonna get tired to make julienne of vegetables, for example. Slicing onions, 10 kilos of onion slicing by hand, it takes a long time and it hurts your wrist. So this one is a 36 centimeters, you could find a 28 centimeters, could be easier, but that's why I have those two different knives for it. You can see the difference. I generally use the larger knife to cut big piece of meat, but also to cut big vegetable, root vegetable, big pumpkins, for example, or sweet potatoes. There you are. That's the 5 knives I often use to cook or prepare food and recipe you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this little tip and tricks about the knives. You have a lovely day. Thank you.